Hello everybody and welcome back to Mr. P channel. This is me, Mr. P, and we're gonna play the game called Rules of Survival. Sorry, I'm trying to get my headphones sorted. Rules of Survival on my Chromebook device. As what you see in front of you is basically my Chromebook device. If I go to settings, as you can see, it's like I'm going to Chromebook settings, all good, and well, it is a Chromebook. It is a Chromebook created by a company called Acer, and it is Acer R11 2-in-1. What that means, basically, my Chromebook can be converted into a tablet. So this is a Chromebook, and you can see I can twist the screen all around and go back and make it to a tablet again. So this is a tablet mode. Hold on, screen rotates. Right, okay, rules of survival. Will it gonna work on this device? I don't really have a big hopes, but anyway, let's test. So game is opening, so let's see how it's gonna perform. Like I said, not big hopes to this game running on this device, because basically it's only 2 gigabytes of RAM. This device has only 2 gigabytes of RAM. God knows what kind of video card or video processor, not checked. 16 gigabytes onboard storage, which is plenty because most of the stuff I keep on the Google Drive. But this is not this device review. This video is not about this device. It's more about if, well, this device can play this game. So game so far is running fine. We're in the main menu, accounts, notice, feedbacks, repair, etc. So I can choose a server, just tap play and hope for the best. Let's hope for the best. Okay, so far it's we're getting somewhere. So I'm getting a loading screen. That's good. That's a good start. But the loading actually taking longer than I expected. So that's already proves my theory that this game is gonna be absolutely crap on this device. Right. Okay. What's this? Did I play it before? I must. I don't know. Anyway, on the bottom right hand corner you can see a ping. There is a battery indicator. On the bottom right hand corner it's battery time and a ping. And ping was 3000. Imagine playing this game on ping 3000. Oh my god, you will be owned. Right. All these ads. Let's skip this. Yakuza, whatever. Right, no, thank you, back. Right, under settings. So right now is everything on high, so I'll quickly turn it power saving off. I don't want any microphones, mic volume, just music, sound effects, that's it. Everything is at the minimum settings. I can't even access the menu properly, so start. Let's see how it's gonna perform. So far it's 2, 1, running. Okay, we are in, and it's right now about to start the game. And my cable got stuck somewhere, so that's it. Right. So we are in the lobby, and the loading is actually very slow. So as you can see, it's come on. My actual device getting a bit warm. Right. Oh my god, it takes forever to load. Look at the lag. No, no, I won't be able to play this game. No. Oh my god. Are we actually gonna, right, okay, we're gonna play now. I'm gonna jump and try to survive first 5 minutes. Because OMG, it is so slow. Why? What's this? Why are we back and loading? What the hell just happened? I thought we're gonna... Anyway, the ping is 69 milliseconds at the moment. By the way, this Chromebook is connected with Wi-Fi. And I think the Wi-Fi signal is quite strong. Yeah, it is. It's nearly max in strength. So I don't know, seriously, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be so fun. Right, okay. Let's try to survive. First 5 minutes. Even descending right now, it's so glitchy. So what's gonna happen when I'm actually gonna reach the ground? But even now, it is so glitchy. It's unbelievable. I would say I'll be killed in the first 5 minutes. Or maybe even faster. I will be killed, let's say, in 2 minutes. I'll be killed in 2 minutes. So right now, as you can see, 9:42 on the bottom. By the time it's gonna say 9:45, I'll be dead. Because, come on. It is. Oh, it's like playing old game on your CRT monitor or something. God damn it, I can't even go straight. I can look, I can even go through a door properly. Come on, come on. Medikit. Look, maybe that's my screen. Touch screen is not that sensitive, I don't know. But come on, twisting the camera is already a mission and a half. Okay, I got the helmet. Let's go through here. Come on. Okay, made it so far. I have medkit and the helmet. Let's turn this way. Come on. I need a gun. Actually, why I need a gun? No one's gonna actually I won't be able to kill anyone with that kind of lag. Seriously, you kidding me? Yes, pick it up the gun. Yes. So as you can see, I have the gun. I have the gun. Oh, what? Really? You need to aim to actually go through a door. Okay, where are you going? If someone's right now playing and seeing me running like an idiot, it's sorry guys. God damn it! I got stuck behind the wall. You kidding me? Go this way. Oh my god, which way I need to go? This way. I have 400 meters to run. 342, 323 meters. Seriously, this game is slow. It's slow on this device. I'm telling you, it is something. Red zone. Oh, 9:45. I'm still alive. Okay, I'm getting somewhere. Right. Okay, this is crap. Jesus Christ. It is slow. It is slow to run. I don't know how I'm still alive, possibly because I just landed somewhere outside where everybody else would land. But anyway, this is I can't see. Well, to try this game, yes, it's fine. You open up, you try for a bit, and you think, yeah, that's fine. Then I would like to play this game, and then you buy a much better device than this Chromebook. I'm not sure. About one thing is there is an Acer i11 Chromebook with 4 gigabytes of RAM. My version of this model comes with 2 gigabytes of RAM. I'm not sure if 4 gigabytes of RAM will make a difference. I don't have that device, so I can't test it out. I see a bike, so let's go grab the bike. So 4 gigabytes of RAM might increase the gaming performance of this game on the Chromebook. If you own a Chromebook with 4 gigabytes of RAM and you're playing this game, can you please let me know in the comment section below, just to confirm that, if it's yes or no. Yes, at least I can. Okay, right, with the lag, we're gonna try to ride the bike. God damn it, straighten up. What's this? Why am I upside down? Let's just press the horn and let everybody know that I'm here. God damn it. Get off. How to... Right, Whippy, look. My bike is upside down. Can I actually twist... Turn it. Right. Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. We back on wheels. Let's go for it. Jesus. I hope you're seeing this. This is... Oh, shit. The wall. Let's go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Yes. Max power. Not in a wall. Oh, come on. This is great. This is like proper. As you can see, it's a proper play. It's like I'm A+ level. I'm like a I got 1000 level 9000 in this game. I'm driving my favorite bike through a country lane. Well, through a country somewhere. What's this? Why it's all like freaking goes nuts? You see a bike? What the bike does? Oh, tuck tuck. And up I go up the mountain. Okay. Where I'm going? Sorry, where I'm driving. Oh, rock. Oh, somebody run past me. Oh, okay, I'm on the floor. Yes, go for it. Somebody trying to kill me. Or somebody somewhere shooting. And I'm on a bike. I am on a bike, flying, off-roading. Why I'm not killing other people and not trying? Because I know I will be dead in 5 seconds. Seriously. If I will try to attack someone right now with that kind of lag, I'll be dead. I'll be toasted. I'll be chicken dinner. Fence. Back. I just wanna show to you that why I'm still driving backwards. That this is how it performs. You're driving a bike in rules of survival with absolutely massive lag. Basically, my device is not playable, or my device can't play this game. Shit, fence. I'm actually driving for past nearly 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes, sorry, about 5-6 minutes. And no one actually cares. I'm making hell of a noise by crashing into everything that is move. Well, not move, I mean everything like rocks, fence, and all the other crap. And no one even noticed that yet. And no one cares to kill me. I'm just doing off-roading, just la-da-dee, la-da-da. Okay, this is not good. I found a trick. If you change the position... Okay, what's happened? Awesome, I'm upside down on my bike and the loading screen. Why this loading screen? You go back into the game and I'm next to a bike. Get off. Can I ride this bike? Yes, give me my bike back. Go for it. Sorry for everybody who's watching this video. I'm so sorry for wasting your time. Yes, it is a stupid video. Yes, I will understand if you click dislike. But come on, I'm having such a fun right now, just buzzing with the bike with that kind of lag. And okay, yep. Stay on course. Come on, bro, stay on course. Don't care if this whole bike shakes like hell. Up the mountain, yes. Where are we? Refreshing safe zone. Okay. Apparently I need to... Oh, right. Driving locked. Okay, so right now... What the hell are you doing? Let's go. 35 left alive. And I'm still buzzing here. On the bike. And I'm running out of fuel. I'm running out of fuel. I need a petrol station. I need a petrol station. Watch out. There is a freaking tree. I missed the tree. That's good. I managed to find the road. That's fine. Let's follow the road. Ooh, hold on. Brake. Get off. There's another bike here. Is this one got more fuel? When I'm playing this game like GTA 5, everybody else killing themselves, and I'm like, this one is fueled up. Right. Let's take this bike instead and continue our journey through a countryside. Come on. 31 left. What's this? Why crashed into a tires? Oh, it's a buggy. Okay, that's how fast the actual vehicle rendered. I not seen it first. I saw on the tires. 30 people left. I'm one of them, and I'm still driving a bike on a. Okay, there was a buggy. 28 people left. My bike is going nuts. I don't know what's happening. It's all lag as hell. And 20. I can't believe I'm actually still alive. 28 people. Okay. Is anyone gonna kill me, please? Jesus Christ! I'm even. With a t-shirt, no freaking bulletproof vest, nothing, just a freaking t-shirt, helmet, and I have my shotgun, and I'm upside down nearly. Right, turn around. Yes, somebody killed me. So I lasted up to 28 people left. But anyway, that's how this game performs on a Chromebook. It's crap. It is absolute crap. Just don't play this game on the Chromebook. If obviously your Chromebook is more powerful than mine, then yes, go for it. But so far, it's not that good. Thank you very much for watching. If you think what I said is bullshit, let me know in the comment section. Okay, camera is too far. Let me know in the comment section below why. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.